11th Science Subject Mathematics and Statistics Part 1st Chapter number 1 Angle and its measurements. Dear students, we are going to study definitions of angle and its types. Angle, an union of two non-collinear rays having same common point is called an angle. Here is two non-collinear rays having same common point is called as vertex. Here is angle of direction in this way. Therefore, this ray is called as initial arc and this ray is called as terminal arc. Directed angle. An ordered pair of rays OA and OB together with amount of rotation of the rays OA to occupy position of the rays OB is called directed angle. We write directed angle AOB in bracket order pair OA OB. Here is directed angle AOB. OA is initial arm, OB is terminal arm. Here is amount of rotation. Also the directed angle BOA. OB is initial arm, OA is terminal arm. Notes. First, in figure first and second, amount of rotation of directed angle is different. Here is amount of rotation. Also here is amount of rotation. In figure 1, order of AOB is important. This order of AOB means OA is initial arm, OB is terminal arm. In figure second, order BOA is important. Means OB is initial arm and OA is terminal arm. Positive angle. If the rotation of the ray OA of directed angle AOB to occupy position of the ray OB in anti-clockwise direction, then directed angle AOB is positive angle. Negative angle. If the rotation of the ray OA of directed angle AOB to occupy position of ray OB is clockwise direction, then directed angle AOB is negative angle. Simply, anti-clockwise direction means positive angle. Clockwise direction means negative angle. Here is directed angle AOB. OA occupies the position OB in anti-clockwise direction. Therefore, this angle is positive angle. Here is directed angle AOB. OA occupies the position OB in clockwise direction. Therefore, directed angle AOB is negative angle. Here, directed angle BOA. Here is OB occupies the position OA in anti-clockwise direction. Therefore, directed angle BOA is positive angle. Here is directed angle BOA. OB occupies the position OA in clockwise direction. Therefore, directed angle BOA is negative angle. Zero angle. If the rays OA and OB are same, then directed angle AOB is called zero angle. Here is OA and OB. Both are same. No amount of rotation. Then this angle is called as zero angle. One rotation angle. After one complete rotation of the initial ray OA coincides with the terminal ray OB, then so formed angle is known as one rotation angle. Measure of directed angle AOB equal to 360 degree. Here is suppose the ray OA rotate and occupies the position OB to complete one rotation. Then this angle is called one rotation angle. Also, suppose in this direction OA complete one rotation and occupies the position OB, then this angle is one rotation angle. Its measurement is 360 degree. Straight angle. If rays OA and OB are opposite to each other, then directed angle AOB is called straight angle. Here is ray OA and OB opposite to each other. Then this angle is straight angle. This straight angle we know that is of 180 degree. Right angle. If the rays OA and OB are perpendicular to each other, then directed angle AOB is called right angle. Here is ray OA and OB perpendicular to each other. Therefore, this directed angle is called as right angle. Its measurement is 90 degree. Angle in standard position. In rectangular coordinate system, a directed angle with vertex at origin and the initial ray along the positive x-axis is called standard angle or angle in standard position. X O x dash x-axis, Y O y dash y-axis. Here is suppose the directed angle AOB, vertex is origin, initial arm is OA, occupies the position OB, then this directed angle AOB is called angle in standard position or standard angle. Also the directed angle AOC, vertex origin initial on positive x-axis, therefore this directed angle AOC is standard angle. Also the directed angle AOD, vertex origin initial on positive x-axis and its terminal of OD. Therefore this angle is also angle in standard position. Also the directed angle AOE, vertex origin initial arm on positive x-axis, therefore this angle is called as standard angle. Angle AOB, AOC, directed angle AOD, AOE are standard angles as all angles have vertex origin and initial arm is OA, that is starting from the OA its initial arm on positive x-axis. Therefore these are standard angles. Angles in quadrant. A directed angle in standard position means vertex origin and initial form are on positive x-axis is said to be in particular quadrant if its terminal ray lies in that quadrant. It depends upon the terminal ray lies in that quadrant. Suppose directed angle AOB. Terminal arm B lies in first quadrant, therefore AOB angle in first quadrant. Here is directed angle AOC, angle in standard position, terminal arm on second quadrant, therefore directed angle AOC in second quadrant. Directed angle AOD, angle in standard position and its terminal arm in third quadrant, therefore angle in third quadrant. Directed angle AOE, angle in standard position and terminal arm lies in fourth quadrant, therefore this angle is in fourth quadrant. Quadrantal angle. A directed angle in standard position whose terminal rays lies along x-axis or y-axis is called as quadrantal angle. Directed angle in standard position means vertex origin and initial arm on positive x-axis and terminal arm or rays on x-axis or y-axis are called as quadrantal angle. Here is directed angle AOB, angle in standard position, terminal arm on y-axis. Therefore, directed angle AOB is quadrantal angle. Its measurement is 90 degree. Also, the directed angle AOC, initial arm positive x-axis, that is angle in standard position. Terminal arm OC lies on x-axis, negative x-axis. Therefore, this angle is quadrantal angle. Also, the directed angle AOD, initial arm on positive x-axis and terminal arm on y-axis, negative y-axis. This angle is called as also the quadrantal angle. We know that directed angle AOB equal to 90 degree, directed angle AOC equal to 180 degree, directed angle AOD equal to 270 degree. Note, the measures of quadrantal angles are integral multiple of 90 degree. Coterminal angle. The directed angles of different measures having same position of initial ray and terminal ray are called coterminal angles. Here is directed angle AOB. Same initial arm OA, same terminal arm OB, but amount of rotation of different. Here is suppose its amount of rotation is 40 degree. Also second measurement, here is compared to one rotation, that is 360 plus this angle is 40, 360 plus 40 is 400 degree. Also take third amount of rotation. Here is this amount of rotation. Direction is clockwise, therefore take negative. Total is 360 minus 40, that is 320, is minus 320 degree. Hence, the directed angles having measures 40 degree, 400 degree minus 320 degree have same initial arm OA and same terminal arm OB. These angles are called coterminal angles. Hence, initial arm and terminal arm same, but the amount of rotations are different. These are called as coterminal angle. Note, if the two directed angles are coterminal angle, then difference between measures of these two directed angles is an integral multiple of 360 degree. Thank you.